In this episode, I will repair this BMW 7 Series. It's a EVE01 model. On this car, I will replace the central information display, the display for the multimedia system, and the display from the instrument panel, from the instrument cluster. I will show you in a second what is the problem with this car. On this 7 Series, I have 7 errors. The slave has switched off. This is for the lane assist. I don't work on this now. All for outside door handle for the comfort access. And the instrument panel display backlighting short circuit to B+. And personal profile port restricted due to no calibration. This is a problem with the driver seat. You can see here the difference. Here to here. You can see the difference. All this area, it's darker. And on the navigation system for the central information display, I have this band here and that band there. And for better see what I want to show you, this is the problem. This band here and that band there. Okay, and on the instrument cluster, I will put the instrument cluster in the test mode now. You can see here, this part is darker. First, I will start with the instrument cluster. To remove the instrument cluster, I will need a tool like this. Here, on top of the instrument cluster, you can see inside there that metal clip and one identical in that area. For access that metal clip, I will need to put a screwdriver inside and pull it down. Next thing, I need to remove the head-up display plug and the main plug, and after that I can take out the instrument panel. This plug. You can see here the fiber optic. To open the instrument cluster, I have 4 T10 screws. And some plastic clips. This one, this one. Next, I will need to remove this board. First, I will take out the fiber optic plug, like so. I need to release the fiber optic cable. Next, I will need to release this plug. After that, I will need to pinch these tabs. Next I will need to release these LED cables. After that I have 4 or 5 screws with T10. Now I can take out the whole assembly, take it out from the case. Next I need to take out the needles. After that I can take out the board. This board is held in place by 4 clips. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And this is the part that I need to replace. This is my display, my LCD display. Here I have a second-hand unit and it's in good condition. Like so. After that I will assemble everything back. After that I can put the instrument back in the case. Next step is to reassemble the instrument cluster in the car. Perfect. Next thing is to replace the central information display. After removing the central vents, I need to remove the plug for the start-stop switch, the plug for the temperature sensor. Now I have access to the two T20 screws that are holding in place the central information display. The display have two plugs. One is for the video signal, this one, and another plug for power supply and communication. And the test, perfect. And also the instrument panel, the instrument cluster. Beautiful, perfect. Instrument panel, short circuit not present. And no error on the instrument panel. Only the lane assist, the door handles under voltage because I have low battery voltage. And this car is almost ready. The only thing that I need to do now is to code that central information display to match the VIN number with the car, and after that this car is ready. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye now.